When you're simplifying a problem like this, you cannot just distribute the 2 into both pieces. You're going to have, what this is saying is I'm taking the quantity x minus 2 and I'm doing it 2 times. When I distribute this out, I get 9x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 4. So my final solution will be 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Factoring perfect cubes, we don't do these super often, but you just have to really pay attention to the formula. The formula, if I start with a plus, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square root, or excuse me, the cube root of each. So that's 4x plus 5. So that's this piece right here. The next piece says we're going to square the first term. Well, this is the first term. So if I square it, I get 16x squared. Notice I change the sign. I start with a plus, that means I have to change it to a minus. Then I take a times b, so I multiply this one with this one and I get 20x. And then I square the last term, which is 25. Make sure from here to here that you are changing the sign. Just a side note in this class, anytime you think you have to type an exponent, the expression can be factored further. So please do not say x raised to the 2 power minus 9, because this can be factored more. And a common mistake with factoring is we forget about our perfect squares. If this is a perfect square and that's a perfect square, this factors down to x minus 3 and x plus 3. So another example here, the square root of this is 3x. The square root of that is 5. 1 plus, 1 minus.